English passage dictation at the speed of 120 words per minute. Start. This is the first time I am meeting you in a conference like this. The last conference was held about 3 years ago when it had the benefit of the experience and the deep administrative insight of the experienced authorities. A number of events have taken place during this period of 3 years, and I think it is time now to assess our problems and find solutions for them. It is indeed a good thing that we meet conference like this in order to discuss outstanding problems and difficulties in the actual working of the department. Such a periodical assessment is, to my mind, absolutely essential for ensuring that the working of the department is smooth and efficient at all times. I am sure these conferences facilitate understanding of each other's point of view and help everyone concerned to get a clear idea of objectives before us so that earnest attempts are made to carry them out in a spirit of teamwork. It may be that we may not be able to take final decisions on all matters in these meetings. There is, however, no doubt that the discussions will help government and police authorities, as the case may be, to take decisions on various issues in an expeditious manner. Para. In view of the political, social, and economic changes in our country, in the post independence period, the concept of police functions has materially changed. The existing pattern of the police machinery is, though it has undergone a few changes from time to time, essentially based on what was considered proper by a commission appointed more than 60 years back. That was indeed a very long time ago. Independence has brought about a fundamental social change in our country. We have adopted a democratic republican constitution and as a welfare state dedicate ourselves to the task of all side development of the country. Today, people are more conscious of their rights than at any time in the past. Their aspirations have increased, and there is BRICS activity seen everywhere to achieve progress. I do not see how the police department can remain unaffected by this trend and events in the country. In the change situation, the members of the police force will have naturally to act as friends of the people to help in the maintenance of the rule of law, which is so essential for a democratic way of life. As you know, after independence, a good many social laws have come into force, all of them intended to contribute towards the building of a sound and progressive society. The new role that the police have, therefore, to play has considerable significance in the building of a new nation. It is absolutely essential that every police officer, to whatever rank he belongs, should understand his role in the context of the welfare state. Stop.